Yo, peace and love, peace and love, peace and love, everybody. Back with another video. Today we have another designer sneaker. We got the Dior Low B23s. But, before we get started, got to thank all the subscribers, new, old, existing, potential. Love all you guys. Can't do it without you, as you know. The video is for educational purposes only. I don't condone the resale of replicas, UAs, whatever you want to call them. I'm just here to make an educational video, and you guys decide on your own. So let's go ahead and get this package open. And I realized there's a reason why I filmed these unboxings with the DHL packaging, because sometimes the shoes have markings on them and the sellers don't believe you, and that's why I film everything. But anyway, we got this Dior bag. It's really hard. It's not leather. It's really hard. And I ain't gonna lie, I'm probably gonna toss it. And at this point of filming, I think I did toss it. We have a dust bag, which I did hold on to. I kind of keep these things. And we have the little B. I am not sure what's up with Dior and the B logo. It's symbolism for something. I just haven't figured it out yet. Nice little envelope. Some kind of receipt. Not going to show that. Doesn't matter. But most importantly, we have the shoe here. This is the Dior Low B23. I used to hate the shoe. Now I love the shoe. People kept requesting it, saying, hey, why don't you do this shoe? And I'm like, what? Why? But, just like any other shoe that's weird in the beginning to me, I get it, I put it on, and I start liking it. So the Diors are actually made popular recently by my man Pop Smoke. He made songs called Dior and gave Dior all kinds of free publicity and promotion, and he made all the people really like Dior. I actually really didn't care about Dior until he made the song. And yeah, the rest is history. Rest in peace, Pop. We're also going to give another rest in peace shout out to Christian Dior. He was born in France and he died in Italy. He was 52 years old when he died, so shout out to you, Christian, for making one of the dopest fashion brands. Okay, so these shoes retail for about $990, pretty much $1,000, and we're going to compare them to the high top pair of obliques that I own, and we're not even going to talk about how much I paid for that pair. We're just going to compare them. So if you look at both of them, there's some differences, but I'll let you be the judge on that. I love both of the sneakers. I'm glad I was nice enough to get a pair gifted to me as a review. The shoes are extremely premium. They have a premium feel. They're very comfortable to wear. I'm kind of leaning towards the lows a little bit more. I don't know at this point, but they're just beautiful shoes. They're very popular with the young kids too. I got a lot of requests, to review the sneaker. So since I got a gifted pair, I just figured I'd review it to my pair that I already had. And let's see how they do under the Blacklight. Okay, I don't really see anything wrong with these, except for on that rubber part right there. I don't know if that's QC'd or what. I don't know. I should have actually blacklit my high top pair. That probably would have helped out a lot. But okay, there's some dots there. I don't know if that's just from the marking thing that they use or what, but figured I'd throw them under the light just to see. They actually look pretty cool under the light. Look at that. That looks dope. I don't know. Let's take a look at the other shoe real quick. I'm not finding anything. If something looks weird, let me know, because I really don't know. I've never blacklit any of these shoes before, but it doesn't matter. So I'm not going to keep you guys in here too long. Let's just get on with the on feet segment. Let's go. Yo, there's a beautiful mural behind me, but I'm out here a little bit too early and the sun is still out. I don't have much time, so I got to get it done when I can get it done. So I'll save this big old mural for another time, but right now I got the graffiti. Sometimes you just got to do what you got to do. Okay, let's talk about these a little bit. Is this something that you would wear? Or is this something that you would pass on? Is this something that's just like, would you rather prefer a Jordan or a Adidas or something like that, a Yeezy? And I ain't gonna lie, I'm kind of getting to the designer sneakers a little bit more. They're actually dope. They're really comfortable. I got these in a size 44, which translates to like a 10.5 to 11, but like a designer 10.5 and 11, which really translates to like a 10 for men's. So it's a little strange, but I always recommend going probably a full size up. So if you wear a 10, just go with a 44. Yeah, today was a little challenging because I went out a little too early and it was too bright to film on the mural I wanted to film on, but now at this point in the video, it's golden hour, which is the best time to film. Everything looks perfect. You don't got to worry about lighting. So I kind of had to mix it up, but I will be coming back to this spot because there's a huge wall I can keep using. You guys know I have a lot of shoes, but you know, that's pretty much the end of the video, guys. You know I love you. Thanks for the clicks. I really appreciate that. Yeah, that's a wrap, guys. Peace out. No, I don't do that hand thing. I don't do that hand thing. Peace out.